In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printful to Ecwid so you can streamline your e-commerce experience and manage your print-on-demand products seamlessly. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get into it. First, make sure you have your Printful account ready. If you don't have an account yet, head over to Printful's website, sign up, and follow the prompts to create your account. Once you're all set up, the first thing you need to do is open Printful and sign in. Go ahead and enter your credentials, and once you're in, take a look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Next, you're going to want to navigate to the Stores section. Clicking on that will lead you to a place where you can manage all your connected e-commerce platforms. Now, look for the option that says Choose Platform. This is where the real action happens. You'll see a list of various platforms, so scroll down just a bit until you spot Ecwid by Lightspeed. Go ahead and select that. Now, Printful will redirect you to the Ecwid App Market, which is a convenient hub for integrating different apps with your Ecwid store. Once you're on the App Market page, you'll see the Printful app listed there. It's time to install it. Click on Install on the Printful app. This process is pretty straightforward and should only take a moment. If this is your first time connecting Ecwid to Printful, you might be prompted to sign into your Ecwid account. Go ahead and enter your credentials for Ecwid if prompted. Don't worry, everything is secure here. Once you're logged in, there will be a window asking for permission to approve the connection between Printful and your Ecwid store. You'll want to click Approve to allow this integration to occur. Now that your accounts are successfully connected, it's time to head back to Printful. You can usually do this by just clicking a back button, but you can also just navigate back to your Printful dashboard. Here's where you'll do a quick check. Go back to the Stores section again and see if your Ecwid store appears listed. And that's it! You've now successfully connected Printful to Ecwid. This integration means that whenever you create a new product on Printful, you can easily sync it with your Ecwid store. It streamlines your product management and can enhance your customer experience, making it easier for them to browse and order your products. Now, if you wanted to dive a little deeper into using Printful and how to create products, manage orders, or even connect your Printful store to additional platforms, let me know in the comments. I'd be more than happy to cover those topics in future videos. Just to recap, the steps were to log into Printful, navigate to the Stores, choose Ecwid from the list, install the Printful app from the Ecwid App Market, log into your Ecwid account, approve the connection, and finally check to ensure your store appears in Printful. Each of these steps is crucial in ensuring that you have a smooth and effective integration. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more insightful content like this. Remember, the more streamlined your e-commerce experience, the easier it is for you to focus on growing your business. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.